In front of me is Motorola Moto G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security. Then click on Screen Lock and decide which login method will be the best one for you: pattern, PIN or password. Then create it. Choose Continue at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Lastly, select Confirm. Then answer this question by choosing one of the available options. When your device is locked, how do you want notifications to show? Show all notification content, hide sensitive notification content, or don't show notifications at all. Wherever you decided when you finished, hit Done. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!